Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on your Chromebook. Now guys, all you have to do is just simply open up any browser that you may have, and you either want to go to xbox.com or you also want to go to GeForce Now, and I'll be sharing both links within the description of this video. Now once you're at xbox.com guys, you simply want to sign in. And once you sign in guys, you will either find the Fortnite here under the most popular on cloud, or you can simply use the search option above on the top right hand side and simply type in Fortnite, and you will find it within the search results. So all you have to do is just simply open it, and once you're signed in, you will be able to play the game. Right now, the next option, as I said, is GeForce Now. So all you have to do is just go to play.geforce.now, and once you're there, you simply want to log in just the same again. It's on the top right hand side, so you simply want to log in there, and you will either find the Fortnite somewhere within the list here. If you don't find Fortnite under free to play guys, you simply want to use the search again, and you simply want to type Fortnite. Now once you do so, you will find a bunch of options. So you have Fortnite, and you also have another Lego one here, but this is the one that you want. So all you have to do is just simply click on it, and you simply want to click play. Now remember, you simply have to log in first in order to play this, because if you're not yet logged in and you click play, it will prompt you to join. So you simply want to click login, and then you'll be able to play the game. And as I said, this will work for your Chromebook, and it will also work for Windows PC as well. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, special welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and feel free to hit the subscribe button below. It's absolutely free to join this community, and it will mean a lot to me, and so that you will never miss out when I release another helpful video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.